Hi guys, in the last session we were discussing about the reflection through the spherical mirrors. We learned the standard incident rays components of the spherical mirrors for both in both the cases that are convex mirror and then the concave mirror, and then we done one relationship between the focal length f and radius of curvature r. In this session we are going to do some numericals based on this reflection on the spherical mirrors. Let us see the numericals. First one is based on the relationship between the focal length f and the radius of curvature. Observe the problem here. Find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 30. Okay, we know the one formula, that is R is equal to 2F. So the given radius of curvature is 32 centimeters. So let's write here radius of curvature is 32 centimeter is equal to 2F. 2F is equal to 32. F is equal to 32 divided by 2. How much it will come? F is equal to 16 centimeter. We need this is what, right? Find the focal length of the convex mirror, that is f is equal to 60 centimeter. This is very simple problem. Next, go to some different types of problems. Image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? See, you know very well with the standard incident ray diagram of spherical concave mirrors, even convex also. So now they asked the concave mirror 3 times n large, 3 times greater than the real image. Now we have to find where is the image located, where is the V is located. We have to find it, that means place of V. If this is a concave mirror, this is a principal axis, center of curvature here, this is the focus, this is the pole of the mirror, that means center of the mirror. If the ray is passing parallelly and then it is coming like this, the focus is here, this is a normal ray, easily we can say the image will be formed behind the C. Image is formed behind C. Clear? Let us see the another problem now. Okay, look at the problem here. A convex mirror, convex, not concave, convex mirror. The image will be formed behind the mirror. Remind it, a convex mirror used for a rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. How much is the radius of curvature? Is 3 meter. If a bus is located at the 5 meter from this mirror, 5 meter from this mirror, that means in front of the mirror, 5 meter means object distance, 5 meter, that is plus. You know that's a sign conversions of convex and concave. Behind the mirror positive, in front of the mirror negative, above the principal axis positive, below the principal axis is negative. So here object distance is plus 5 meter I am taking, that is in front of the mirror. From the mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Image distance V we have to find out, and then nature h dash, that means height of the image we have to find out. Now I am going to take the mirror formula. Before that we want the focal length f is equal to r by 2. Is it right? R they given 3 meter divided by 2, it will come 1.5 meter. Here it is behind the mirror. Okay, the focus will form behind the mirror in case of convex mirror. So you write it, the focus is formed, virtual focus is formed behind the mirror. Clear? Now we got the focal length f plus 1.5 meter. Now I will take the mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Now substitute the in object distance and then f focal length, then you have to find out the image distance. So look at here, f is equal to r by 2, we got the plus 1.5 mirror, that means behind the mirror, the focus is formed behind the mirror, so I am taking as a plus 1.5 as a focal length. Now this substitute in the mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So using this formula we will get the image distance. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So what is the f? Plus 1.5 minus here minus, because in front of the mirror is image is forming, so I am taking minus 5 meter. So now instead of this decimal point I am taking as a 2 by 3. This 3 by 2 I am taking, this is a inverse, so 2 will goes to the numerator, 3 will comes to the down, so 3 by, so 15, 10 plus 3, so 13 divided by 15. So take this inverse, reciprocal, remove it, 15 by 13, you will get the answer of 1.1 meter. Because object distance, this is the plus 1.15 meter, we got v is equal to plus 1.15 meter. So now we have to find out the height of the image distance. So we got the object distance v is equal to 1.15 meter. Why I taken as a positive means the image is forming behind the mirror, back side of the mirror, so it will be the positive. And then now we have to find out the height of the image. You know the magnification formula, m is equal to h dash s divided by v divided by u, negative. So here, how much is the v? We got positive plus 1.15 meter divided by, we have the u object distance is minus 5 meter. So here do the division, 1.15 divided by 5, you will get the 0.23 meter is positive, because m height of the, this is the h dash, you will get this much. Image is, the image is virtual, erect and smaller in size, because it is a diverging mirror, right? Smaller in size by the factor of 0.23 meter. Clear? So look at in this problem, is another problem. Please, when I am writing the problem on the board, please make a note in your notebook. Don't forget, because for each and everything I am erasing, it's a small one, we can't able to cover up full problem. So I am going to erase it. First I'll read the problem, I'll say the data, given data from this problem. You have to write down this problem in your notebook, it's compulsory. An object 4 centimeter in size, an object is 4 centimeter inside. That means the height of the object they given, that is h. H is equal to 4 centimeter. An object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. In front of the concave mirror, that means distance of the object in front of the negative 25 centimeter. Focal length 15 centimeter. That means focal length they given 15 centimeter. That is negative 15 centimeter. Even what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? That means the image should form on the screen. So they have to place the screen. So at what distance from the mirror they should keep the screen in order to obtain a sharp image? We have to find out the V. Find the nature and the size of the image. Even we have to find out the height of the image. So I am going to erase the problem. Please make a note or take a screenshot in your mobile. Okay, I wrote the given data on the board. Previously, I think each and everyone who are watching the video or make down, you wrote the problem on your notebook. Just I given the given data on the board. Look at here. Now we are going to find out the object image distance V first. They given each and everything. Focal length also they given. Focus will happens in front of the mirror in case of concave lens. Is it concave mirror? Sorry, not lens. F is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Is it right? I'll write the mirror formula. 1 by U plus 1 by V. So we have to find out this one. So I'll take it out. I will arrange this formula like this. Okay, this is a simple step to arrange it. So 1 by F minus 15 minus V is how much? Minus 25. That means in front of the mirror we are getting, right? That means left side of this one. 1 divided by 15 minus 15, that one 25. Take the LCM for 15 and 25. Take the LCM 15 and 25. I think you will get 75. 3 5s are 5 3s are, take it as 5 3s are 5 5s are. So 5 5s are 25. 25 into 3, 75 is the LCM. Write down here minus 75 is the LCM. And then here 5 minus 5 minus plus 2. Here minus 5 and then plus 25 3s are. Okay. Now minus 2 divided by 75. This I will take this V, 75 divided by minus 2. You will get minus 37.5 centimeter. That means in front of the mirror, image is forming. The screen should place, write down the conclusion for this image distance. The screen should be placed at 37.5. You have to mention the negative sign because this is in front of the mirror, negative, right? That much. Minus 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror, and then image is real, you know, right? The image is real. And next one we have to find out the size of the image or the height of the image. So now we have to find out the height of the image or the size of the image as per the given problem. Now I wrote here the magnification formula H dash, that means image height divided by object height will be equal to distance, image distance and then object distance. We are going to find out this H into V divided by U. So how much is the h? They given 4 centimeter into v is minus 37.5 centimeter divided by the object distance they given as 25 minus 25 because in front of the mirror image is kept. So and then now do the multiplication of this 30 minus 37.5 into minus 4, you will get 37 37 point, here I'll take it as a 6.25. So 37.5 divided by minus 6.25. Finally you will get minus 6 centimeter. Okay, height of the image will be minus 6 centimeter. Okay, fine. Image is inverted and enlarged. See here, negative. This is a positive. That means you can say it is an inverted image. Below the principal axis, the image is forming. Image, you can write the conclusion as image is inverted and enlarged. This is a concave mirror, right? So it is the image is inverted and enlarged. So look at the another problem, that is determine the image distance and image height. I wrote image distance and image height we have to find out. For 5 centimeter tall object, placed 10 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. In front of the concave mirror, that means it's a negative object distance is negative 10 centimeter in front of the mirror, and then height of the object is above the principal axis, that is positive 5 centimeter, and then focal length also they given, that is in front of the mirror focus will happen, that is f is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Please make a note of this problem and then given data according to the problem. Just we can go to solve now. So I'll write the mirror formula, f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So we have to find out the image distance, right? So according to that I will arrange the formula. So here they given the focus will happen in front of the mirror, right? So that is 15 centimeter. So that is a negative 15 centimeter minus object distance they given, that is the object distance is minus 10 centimeter. Okay, let's take the LCM of these 15 and 10. 5 3s are 5 2s are. So it is 6 into 5, 30. 30 is the LCM, that is negative. So here, so 2 minus 3. So you will get minus 1 divided by minus 30. So take the inverse, take the reciprocal of this, v is equal to 30 cm. This is here minus into minus will comes as a positive. So here reciprocal of v I taken minus 30 centimeter. The image distance will form in front of the mirror, so it is a negative 30 centimeter. And then one more thing we have to find out, that is the image height. So let's write down the magnification formula, that is m is equal to h dash divided by h is equal to negative, v means image distance, u means object distance. Now we know everything except the height of the image. Write down negative v into h, height of the object, u, distance of the object. So how much is the v? That is the image just now we got it, that is 30 centimeter, and then into height is the 5 positive, and then u is the negative 10 centimeters. So now minus 3 is 15, minus into minus plus, here is 1 minus, so it is a 15 centimeter. below the principal axis. That means it is an inverted image. Okay, inverted image and real image is formed. Clear? If you have any doubt regarding these problems, you can comment in the comment box. So another problem, a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified image. Concave mirror, it is a converging. Here 3 times more larger image than the original image. Magnified image on a screen if the object is placed 20 centimeter in front of the mirror. So u is equal to minus 20 they given. And mirror, how far is the screen from the object? That means we have to find out the v, that means image distance we have to find out. Here 3 times enlarged, that means h, height of the object they given 3 times, that means 3. So I will write the magnification formula. H dash divided by h is equal to minus v divided by u. We have to find out the v here. So m is equal to so here h they given, is it right? So h means here is the magnified image they given, enlarged image directly they given. That means this m 3 is equal to v we have to find out, u they given 20. So now v is equal to 60 centimeter. Clear? V is equal to 60 centimeter. This is the height, magnified image height. That means here negative will come. So this is the minus 60 centimeter. That is the image distance. See, if you have any doubt regarding these formulas and then sign conversions, whatever I done the numericals, if you have any doubt with the another and then previous question papers numericals, you can message me, you can write in the comment box. I will solve that problem. I'll revert you. Thank you.